Today I am going to show you a demo about Sitecore rendering variant. This is Harish Kumar from SK Tech YouTube channel. Let us into the demo. Okay, so what is rendering variant? Rendering variant is the option available in SXA. SXA means Sitecore Experience Accelerator. It is come as out of box component in Sitecore 10. Okay, so I am using a new vanilla instance Sitecore 10.3. So rendering variant is there is in SXA there are predefined component already given. So you no need to create a component. It's already given. So no need to write a custom code like ABC platform code. No need to write. So all the existing components are available. You can duplicate that code or you can create a rendering variant, rendering fields, tags, HTML, and based on that you can add a rendering variant to the existing rendering. There are a lot of predefined renderings available. Using that rendering, you can create a rendering variant. Rendering variant nothing but you can add a add-on to the rendering. You are creating another add-on to the existing rendering. So that is rendering variant. Okay. Let me show you demo. Today I am going to show you a demo of how to create a rendering variant. So for that I am going to use page content. So this is a new vanilla instance of Sitecore 10.3. I have created a tenant, that is dev new tenant, and a dev new site. So I am going to create a rendering variant and display the data. That is I am going to show. So first let me create if you create the website, tenant website, you will see a presentation details, presentation folder. So in that you will find rendering variants. So we have a lot of rendering. So I'm going to choose page content rendering. So in that rendering we will insert the variant definitions. Let me name it as test. Okay. So in my home item I have two field, content and title. So this is my content and title. I'm going to use this two field. Okay. So in this test I'm going to insert a field, that is title. So let me name it as title content. So here I want to remove this content in the field name section. So that's a rendering definition. This is rendering definition, this is rendering field. So I'm going to add another tag, that is I'm going to add some div tag. Let me name it as div. Okay. In this div I'm going to include that field, that is content field. So I'm going to include the content field. Okay. So content field, the field name is shame, I think so. So let me swap it. So I'm going to move it down a little bit. So let me move it down. Okay, now it is swapped. So let me publish it. So I have created a two field, that is, so let me give it as h1 tag to this title. So I created I have assigned here two field, the h1 tag title and some div section. So in that I'm having the content section. This is a rich text box content which has image. Okay, image and text. Okay, let me share it. Then let me publish this rendering variant. Now our rendering variant is ready, so we can go and implement it. Okay, now the rendering variant is ready. Let me go there and go to this home node. So content and dev site. Okay, let me go to the presentation details. Okay, let me add the rendering variant. I was rendering I need to add. So that will be available in future experience accelerator. Here page content entering is available and main placeholder selected. Now I'm going to edit this and I'm going to select my rendering variant. So this is fine, placeholder is fine. Grid also we can select this as 12 compatible for all the smartphones, and styling here I am selecting the rendering variant which I created, that is test. So test rendering variant created, let me share it. Okay, so I'm going to publish this. Okay, to publish this, content got published. Now I'm going to view this home node. So let me view it home node. Now see, uh, this is h1 tag dev site and image and content came. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed yet. Then only what are the new video I am posting will reach you automatically. Thank you. Good luck guys. Bye bye. This is Satish Kumar signing off.